What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to find the best free themes on Shopify. So you want to make sure you're here on Shopify, and on the left side panel you want to click on Online Store. So once you click on Online Store, you'll see some more options: themes, pages, and references. Our goal is to find the best free themes, so we're here on themes already, and we're going to come to where we can find more themes. So we're going to scroll down and you can see some themes here. Popular free themes, of course, and as we're going down you can see explore more themes. So we're going to click on this. It's going to open a new tab, and once it does this, all you need to simply do is to come over here, and under price you can see free and paid. We're going to make sure to check the box for free, and it will reload all the free themes available on Shopify. So these are the theme options, and if you want to know the ones that are really good, you can also see some of the ratings. For example, this is the Rise site, and you can see 46%. Of course, the themes are good, but it being the best is really subjective. So if we click on Rise, for example, which has 46%, you can see how it looks like. And then of course, one of the things you can use to know if a theme is really good is to see how responsive it will be, whether it's on desktop or on mobile. Currently we're having the desktop view, but if we go over to the mobile icon right here at the top of the theme, you can click on it and you see how it looks like. Of course, you have the options to view demo and try the theme. You can click on view demo, and this is how it's going to look like. And of course, if you like it, you could go ahead and click on try theme. If we go back, you'll be left with the rest of the other free themes which you can pick from. So this is how to find the best free themes on Shopify.